mounts and the front mounts and went to just these, not realizing that what happened is the whole engine moved enough to where when I went to test drive it around the block for my training, the engine torqued and hit my fuel pump, and the fuel pump broke, and I thought the motor exploded. It sounded like just bang, bang,
wait. Start that story again.
They put the motor mounts in, but they put them in with the front mount still in, and I think what happened was when I removed the front mounts, the whole motor
yeah.
So like they didn't do it when it was settled. Anyway, so when the engine torqued, the fuel pump hit the frame, and I thought it was blowing up. I mean, it hit and went boom, 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 and I pulled it. Oh my God, what is that? I got it home. It's just a fuel pump. So I just put all the mounts back to where they were.
Yeah, I mean, why not?
There's like, it's kind of rigid, you know. But
I've got I've got a turnbuckle holding my engine together.
Yeah, that's what I figured people do, metal to metal. So
rear ends of what?
Camaro Gen 2, composite traction.
10 bolt or not, or 12 bolt?
Yeah, I think it's like 8 or something.
Well, but you're not developing 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, like I talked to a rear end guy and he says, well, you'll never get traction to break it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying with those little tires. Yeah, sedan is always okay. So here's the something that very few people know. Only guys that restore cars will know. This sedan, when they did the trim, somebody lost this piece right here.
Yeah, really, this car is a 210. It's not a Bel Air.
Okay, so that's a deal.
The numbers, it's a 210. All this trim's been added. And stuff,
okay, so.
Which I think they make a Bel Air post.
They do make a 210 Bel Air.
Okay.
And the difference would be that they want to have this broadcast panel right here. And so, but this dog leg right here, I lost mine, and they're sitting in the bottom of a polishing vat someplace in Orange County. Yeah. So I tried to match these up. Yeah. Every angle, for a hardtop, it's a different angle. For a sedan, it's a different. For a four-door, everything is different on this piece. It's only unique to exact cars.
Yeah, I got to do some work. A lot of the trim's all dinged up.
That's a great driver.
That's my kid nicknamed it Rattles.
Rattles.
Because it rattles. So I go, okay, I'll take that nickname, but I'll call it the Rattler, like a snake.
Yeah.
No, Rattles.
That's nice interior on it, yeah.
Yeah, that was in it when I got it. The guy had put it in because he had a previous and another trim in it, and he had to move the stick shift back or otherwise put it way forward. It's real comfortable right there with it right next to you.
Yeah, it looks like it is. It looks almost like a sports car.
Yeah, I put one of those MGW short throw shifters in it. It's really nice.
Yeah.
And then I just did now was you could go into reverse. So it didn't have reverse lockout, and it didn't have a speedometer because of mechanical speedometer. I got this little box these people make. And it has it's a little box that the wires from the tranny go to this box, and then it has a cable from it that goes to the speedometer, and inside the box is a motor that spins and spins the cable. It's too funny.
Yeah.
But anyways, you can hook the reverse lockout into this box also. So as soon as you start moving, it senses that it's moving and it locks out your reverse. So
really?
So you can't accidentally go into reverse.
That is cool.
Like that. And so then your speedometer works, everything. It's a cool little box.
So is that oil or shift light?
Shift light. Okay.
You really need it?
Yeah.
You know when you're racing those mean old Fords.
Especially the 383, it revs up really quick. Yeah. And by the time you see the light, it'd be too late though. You better shift.
I'm being facetious here because my car desperately needs a shift light if I could hear it.
Yeah.
And then I says, but again, I'm holding on for dear life. Yeah. I'm not even looking for a shift light. I'm looking at where's this thing going to land.
I've had before I get next to somebody, it's really loud. My window's down, and I can't hear my engine.
Right.
So I do have a button too. I can open up my headers.
Yeah.
But if my headers aren't open, I was racing a guy on a Harley once, and he was right next to me. It was pretty cool. Look at those rocks flying off and sparks. And wah, wah, he's going through the gears, and I'm right next to him. Wah, wah. It was pretty fun.
Here's another new one. First off, what's your name?
Richard.
Hey. Randy. Okay. Yeah, you'll hear me when my car is.
What do you drive?
Well, today I'm driving the Suburban.
Okay. I just seen that over there at the other Cars and Coffee.
No, not that one. I hope.
Was it? Maybe it was last weekend I seen you there.
No, I wasn't there. That's the first time that thing's been on the road in 5 years.
Oh, yeah?
It was owned by a cop that passed away in El Segundo, and his widow wanted me to get it ready to sell. And so I got it ready to sell, and now it's for sale. Cool. But my 57 is getting a complete makeover again for the 15th time. I've had it since.
Say it's all raced out or blown out?
Oh, yeah. I drag race it. I was at the.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I was at the Tri-5 Nationals.
Okay.
And have you ever?
No, I never even drag raced or even been to it.
No, have you ever been to the Tri-5s?
No.
So October
I've seen it on the Dan Chuck website.
Right. So in 3 weeks we're going to be up at Bakersfield for the first West Coast, and my car's not going to be ready, but I'm going anyway. I just got back from Kentucky where I blew the engine because we raced at Beach Bend back there.
Yeah.
But there are 3,000 5, 6, and 7s. Is if you like these shoe boxes,
Oh yeah,
they're everywhere.
Tri-Fives, yeah.
I did about 20 videos while I was there because there's just so much content.
That's my kid's a Mopar guy, and he gives me shit about that. When I first bought, you know how many of those are? I go, no, there's not that many.
Yeah.
I look around, and go, holy shit,
Yeah,
that's a lot of them.
So, but if you get a chance, go to my YouTube channel. It's Randy's 57 Chevy. It's real easy to remember on YouTube.
Yeah.
Subscribe to the channel. I put all the videos I do at here and wherever I go at car shows of people's cars.
Yeah.
So some people don't even have a picture of their car. So now you have a video of your car on YouTube tonight.
Okay.
Nice meeting you, Richard.
That's it.
You have any bites on that?
I just got here, Dad.
Oh.
Just got here 5 minutes ago.
Guess where Mike's roaches going to go?
Where?
Rich.
What?
Rich is going to go.
Is he about? He's got to tell me.
Wait a second. He drove it. He parked it over there. He's got the hook in his mouth. Now he's got it.
Okay, okay. Well, I gotta go see. Where is he? Okay. We got the whole crew. Morning. M151A1 and the T-Bird. Where is Mike? Here's the other car I have for sale. It's Mike Cook's 31 Roadster, 350, 9-inch. It is a, he doesn't know the body, but it's a, probably a, it's not an outlaw body. I don't know, he doesn't know the body. It's a pretty good fiberglass. The, I can't drive it, I'm too big for it. It's got a aluminum hood on that. It's a pain in the ass to get off because it's all zoot tied. But yeah, that's Mike Cook's 31. Mike's dad was Doug Cookie Cook, who drove the, I didn't get that today, who drove Stonewoods and Cook 41 Willys. I miss getting that bet done. Staying there just show off. That red 40 is for sale also. I'm not selling it, somebody else is.
Right off the trailer. Getting off easy, dude. What are you
gonna do? I'm like, just get out of the way. I'm just gonna put it in reverse. Keep going up a little bit.
Hey, what are you doing with this?
With the Suburban?
Yeah.
Selling it.
Where's that black loud car at?
The black loud car is getting a makeover.
You were riding this?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's driving the GMC.
That's nice, man.
All right, so nice.
Yeah. What motor?
350 tranny. I didn't want to drive it, but it rides so. I'm not being a salesman here.
yours?
No, it's a lady, a widow of a cop, and
I'll be there.
it's El Segundo cop. He passed away a couple years ago, 5 years ago, and this thing's been sitting in the driveway for 5 years.
All original engine and everything?
No. It's
Oh,
all been upgraded.
Oh, upgraded.